to transfer from on wallet to spot wallet in Binance. Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can transfer from your on wallet to spot wallet in Binance. To transfer funds from your on wallet to spot wallet in your Binance, you have to follow this step. First of all, open the Binance app or website and log into your account here. So once you have been logged into your account here, they are loading your Binance here. So you have to continue with your Google. So you have to choose your Google account here. So once you have been logged into your Binance app, here you have to click on the wallet option which is on the top of the page. So you can find the wallet option here. So on the top right corner you can see this. You have to tap on that. Once you are here, you have to find the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer, and you have to look for the option of send or transfer option here, which might be labeled as transfer or send option. Just tap on that. Once you have tapped on that, you have to enter your phone number or Binance ID here, and after writing that, just go for the continue option. So all new and existing required. So here you can see that after you click on the continue option, you have to specify the amount that you wish to transfer, and you have to review the detail and confirm the transaction, and you have to go back to your wallet to verify that the transfer was successful. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily transfer the fund from your Binance to the spot wallet and on wallet. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.